Welcome. In front of me is a RedMagic 10 Air, and today I'm going to show you how you can record a screen on this phone. So to get started, you'll want to swipe down from the top of your screen twice, which will show you a bunch of toggles, and one of those toggles will be the screen recorder. For me, it's right here in the corner. Once you see it, you can tap on it. This will bring up this little panel right here with the record option, the sound options, which allows you to choose what will be recorded. So we have system and mic, and then we have the close button. So I'm going to start recording. And from here, you can open up any kind of application that you want to record. I'm looking for one that I actually wouldn't be, just so I can showcase something, but it looks like there is no such an app right here. So anyway, once you're done recording, you click on the square. This will then automatically save your screen recording to your Photos application. And here, I'm gonna navigate to collections. And in collections, you should find either video or screenshots album. Now it should be located in one of those, which there it is for me. Right, yep. So here's the screen recording that I've just captured a moment ago. Now, I wanted to showcase an application that might not be recordable, as there are some limitations. There are certain apps that without your permission, they just block your screen recorder without your knowledge or permission. And you will only end up finding it out most likely when you go to play back the recording that you've captured, which will end up just being a straight black screen, as long as the app is visible when you are recording it on your screen. The moment you close it, it will normally record the home screen and whatever. But when you, for instance, open up something like I opened up right here, let's just assume that... What did I open up? Did I open up anything? No. So let's just assume that YouTube was the thing that wouldn't be recordable. So you'd now would have completely black screen. And the moment I close it off, it just goes back to recording it like it's visible right now. But anyway, so with that being said, hopefully you found this video helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.